Hi guys, today I am doing one code. This is called code.org. So I am going to do one code. Let's see on the code. First I will take the repeat block for this and see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I will put 6 steps over here. Here 6 steps. 1 minute. Okay, click that 6 steps and I'll take the west. After taking the west, I'll take the get block because it should like this. He should get the blocks, so that's why get block. The diamonds he should get. So I can repeat block and I'll put see. So we stop till here. So now we start from here. 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's click 4. After we click 4, we should put south, the S block, the down block, put get block again. Then again this. We stop here. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 to the east. Let's do this. Now take the get block. We stop in here. 1, 2, 3. You can do that. Okay. Now we are doing 3. 1 minute. So we did 3. So it's gone here. So we need to put this up block because see 1, 2, 3 up and get them. 1 minute. This did not came up here. Now again 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. This is going to be funny. 4. Double here. 4 in the west again. Yes. 4 to the west. Then 1, 2. Okay. Let's take this again. Put number 2 here. There's not 1 in this repeat box. There's only till 2 to 10. So I took it. I stopped here. So 1. So I stopped here. So 1, 2 down. And again the get block. So 1, 2, 3 last. I used a little lot of repeat block. I'll put this block was this time. And east I'll put. And let's check. Oops, I forgot to do something. I forgot to do. I did till here. I'll reset it. Okay guys, last time I will fix the error now. Just adding some. So just take a loop. And 1 minute. Let's just put the get block. And I totally forgot this for there. And now let's check. Yes, congratulations, you collect all 30 items. So see, this is the code which actually I did. This is the code. See,